Are you looking for the best reflector telescopes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best reflector telescopes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Dianfan 150 EQ Astronomical Reflector. The Dianfan 150 EQ Astronomical Reflector Telescope is a powerful and user-friendly optical instrument designed for both beginners and seasoned stargazers. With a 150mm aperture and 650mm focal length, it offers excellent light-gathering capabilities, delivering bright and detailed views of celestial objects. The telescope features a German-style equatorial mount, providing smooth and precise tracking of astronomical targets. Number 2. MEEZAA 150 EQ Reflector Telescope. The 150 EQ Reflector Telescope is an ideal choice for adults and beginners interested in astronomy, offering a comprehensive and user-friendly stargazing experience. It features a 150mm aperture and 650mm focal length, providing bright and clear views of celestial objects. The telescope comes with 2 eyepieces, 25mm and 10mm, a 2x Barlow lens for doubling magnification, a moon filter, and a red dot findoscope, making it easier to locate and observe planets and the moon. Its German-style equatorial mount with slow-motion control cables allows smooth and precise tracking, while the adjustable stainless steel tripod ensures stability and comfort during viewing. Additional accessories include a phone adapter for astrophotography. Overall, this telescope is perfect for beginners, families, and amateur astronomers looking for a solid and versatile setup for exploring the night sky. Number 3. Celestron PowerSeeker 127 EQ Telescope. The Celestron PowerSeeker 127 EQ is a 5-inch, 127mm, manual German equatorial reflector telescope designed for beginners and casual astronomers. It features a 1000mm focal length and f/7.87 focal ratio, providing clear views of the moon, planets, star clusters, and more. The telescope comes with 2 eyepieces, 20mm and 4mm, a 3x Barlow lens, and a 5x24 findoscope. The equatorial mount includes slow-motion controls for smooth tracking, and the adjustable tripod offers stability. While the telescope is easy to assemble and offers a compact design, some users have reported challenges with collimation and image sharpness due to the Bird-Jones optical design. For more detailed information and user experiences, you can refer to the manufacturer's website or product reviews. Number 4. Celestron StarSense LT 114AZ. The Celestron StarSense Explorer LT 114AZ is a smartphone-integrated Newtonian reflector telescope designed for beginners seeking an intuitive stargazing experience. It features a 114mm aperture and a 1000mm focal length, offering clear views of the moon, planets, and brighter deep sky objects. The standout feature is the StarSense app, which uses your smartphone's camera to analyze star patterns and guide you to celestial objects with on-screen arrows. This eliminates the need for manual star alignment, making it particularly user-friendly for newcomers. Number 5. Gskyer 130 EQ Reflector Telescope. The Gskyer 130 EQ Professional Astronomical Reflector Telescope is a 5.1-inch, 130mm, Newtonian reflector designed for beginner to intermediate astronomers, featuring a 650mm focal length that balances wide-field views with sufficient magnification for observing celestial objects. It comes with fully coated glass optics for enhanced contrast and reduced chromatic aberration, making it suitable for viewing the moon, planets, star clusters, and nebulae. The telescope includes 3 eyepieces, 25mm, 10mm, and 5mm, a 3x Barlow lens, and a 6x30 findoscope, providing a variety of magnifications and easier object location. Its German-style equatorial mount allows smooth manual tracking, while the adjustable stainless steel tripod with an accessory tray ensures stability and convenience. While some users note minor limitations with mount stability and optical distortion at higher magnifications, the Gskyer 130 EQ offers a solid, portable, and versatile setup, ideal for beginners exploring the night sky.